Speaker, हो प्रश्न आशिल्लो in the month of stated to be replied on 24th March 2021. आज आमी जुलयान हो प्रश्नाचो उत्तर दिवपाक प्रयत्न करतात सरकार. म्हजो स्पीकर सर पयलें म्हणल्यार हे 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स विच इज द तामनार साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेज आनी 4 लेनिंग ऑफ नॅशनल हायवे हे 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स येता विच गोवा हॅज बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट. Lot of agitations have happened. People are voicing their opinions on this project. Environment disaster कशें जाता हाजेर सगळें उलोवप जाल्लें आसा. पूण स्पीकर सर मार्चांतल्यान जुलय म्हणटा म्हणसर जवळ जवळ 4 म्हयने जाले आनी ह्या 4 म्हयन्यान लॉट ऑफ वॉटर हॅज फ्लोन. सो इन दीस बिटवीन दीस पर्टिक्युलर टायम फ्रॉम द असेंब्ली एंड दीस सेशन स्पीकर सर ताज्या मदीं आयलो CEC. द CEC केम डावन which were appointed by the Supreme Court. They came down, did a site inspection. Site inspection given various people, whether it is elected representatives, whether they are scientists, researchers, ecologists, environmentally lawyers, veterinarians, artists, painters, illustrators, filmmakers, musicians, sculptors, students, villagers, tourism and travel trade, all of them have given their opinion to the CEC when it came down. And representations also were done. ताज्या खातीर स्पीकर सर ह्या 3 प्रोजेक्टाच्या बाबतीन CECन स्टडी करून एज ऑन दे हॅव इश्यूड द रिकमेंडेशन्स नंबर 6 of 2021 टू एप्लिकेशन नंबर 1440 टू द रजिस्टर ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑन 23rd April 2021. म्हणून साहजीक आसा की ही CECची कॉपी आमच्या सरकाराक ऑलरेडी पावल्या तें आमकां कळ्ळां. बिफोर गेटिंग इन टू द एक्विजिशन मोड स्पीकर सर आय वूड लायक टू नो फ्रॉम द ऑनरेबल Minister for Revenue or the Chief Minister regarding the recommendations which have been issued. What are the recommendations that were issued regarding these 3 linear projects, that is the South Western Railways, Tamnar project and the 4 laning of National Highway? What is the government decision on this recommendation? Will it accept it and will you adhere to it?
Speaker sir, in regards to the CEC report, the Supreme Court had appointed this panel and the report is ready, but I have not received the report. It is, and also because it was the CEC was formed to assess the environmental impact because of these 3 linear projects. So I would like to tell the Honorable MLA that I have not received the report. And as for deciding on what to do, I think the government can take a call collectively on the decision.
Speaker sir, my question is very pointed. CECचे recommendation जे Supreme Court'ak गेल्या are public domain. Government cannot run away from it saying that they don't know about it. If you want, I will place it on the table of the House. If you want, I will read it out to you. Do you want me to do it? If it is not, then I am asking you very clearly, if you are the Revenue Minister, then the Chief Minister has to come record and say की हे CECचे recommendation जे आयले गोयच्या हिता खातीर ताणें तरेतरेची आपली विचार मांडले. ह्या विचाराचेर जे गोंयच्या सरकारान स्पीकर सर हाजेर कितें हे एक्सेप्ट करतलो, सुप्रीम कोर्टाक रावतलो तांच्या डिसिजनाक जशें फाटीं केलां तशें, काय ते डिसिजन घेतले आनी दे वील एदर टू वॉट CEC हॅज टोल्ड इज माय बेस क्वेश्चन.
Speaker sir, like I just said, it's an environmental impact report. So I don't think Revenue Department single-handedly can take a decision on it. And I agree with what he says. The report is in public domain. So I repeat the same thing that I've said. And since it's a matter of the Supreme Court, I think we would wait for the decision of the Supreme Court.
Speaker sir, CEC येता, आमचे गोंयकार लोक सगळे सांगतात की हे आमकां प्रोजेक्ट गरज ना म्हणून. हाजेर जस्टिफिकेशनूय इज बीन टोल्ड इन वेरियस फॉर्म्स टू द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. आयच्या तारखेन स्पीकर सर, this question is pertinent because it relates to the further land acquisition which is supposed to happen or has happened or is happening in all these times. ताज्या खातीर हांव गृहीत धरता की CECचो रिकमेंडेशन सेव मोले म्हणून लोक बोळ मारतूं, भुरगे जावं जाणटे जावं MLA जावं सगळे जावं, the government is on record saying that they are not accepting this particular report of the CEC which has been recommended by the Supreme Court to come and do. Do I take this on record?
So you just spoke about all the 3 linear projects and said acquisition. No, you said acquisition further for all the 3 linear projects, correct?
No. I'm asking a simple question. CECचे recommendation highlight understanding the person who was appointed by Supreme Court. The case is in Supreme Court. So they have come and taken all the recommendations. They have issued their recommendations after listening to the people of Goa, their grievances, their objections. So now the government knows what are the objections, what are the issues. कित्याक there are a lot of सेंटराच्यान सांगता म्हणून स्टेट करता. तो मिनिस्टर ऑफ एनवायरमेंटू चेंज जाला तुमचो, नवो आयला, नवे विचारूंक शकता. म्हणून विचारता सीईसीन जो आता रिपोर्ट रिकमेंडेशन लिस्ट केले की तुम्ही आता तरी एक्सेप्ट करतले काय सेंटराक विचारपाक रावतले काय सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडल्यान रावतले काय यू विल एदर डू दिस.
स्पीकर सर, सीईसीच्या रिकमेंडेशनाच्या उपरांत तांच्यांनी हा नॅशनल हायवेचो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा स्पीकर सर हो तांच्यांनी रिकमेंड केला. तांच्यांनी 2 प्रोजेक्टा खातीर, एक डबल ट्रॅकिंग ऑफ द रेल हाका लँड एक्विजिशन आनी फर्दर एका ऑब्जेक्शन रेज केल्लें आसा, आनी दुसरो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा टमनार ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक तांच्यांनी ऑब्जेक्शन रेज केल्लें आसा. हे सीईसीचें रिकमेंडेशन सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा. सुप्रीम कोर्टान अजून आपलें डिसिजन दिवंक ना. स्पीकर सर, हाका गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा आपलो से जो आसा हो सुप्रीम कोर्टात फायल करतली.
स्पीकर सर, सीईसीच्या प्रमाणे
ओल्ड लायनीचेर एलाव केला, नवीन लायनीचेर न्ही, ओल्ड लायनीचेर एलाव केला.
Speaker sir, Honorable CM is aware of the CEC recommendation, makes things much easier. CEC recommendation प्रमाणे रेल्वेच्या बाबतीन, साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेच्या बाबतीन, डबल ट्रॅकिंगाच्या बाबतीन जो विषय गोंय गाजता त्या हाज्या प्रमाणे CEC has been very clear that they do not see the requirement of such project which will affect the fragile ecosystem and destroy the internally recognized biological hotspots. ताणे हायकोर्टाकूय सांगला to revoke the permissions of grant for this particular project by the Standing Committee of National Board for Wildlife. Coming to the 400 kV transmission line, थंय सीईसीन क्लियर सांगला स्पीकर जशें ऑनरेबल सीएमान म्हणला की तो सगळी फॉरेस्ट एरिया जी क्लियर करपाक सोदता, जे सगळे गोंयकार झगडटा, आमदार झगडटा, पूण सरकार आयकूंक सोदनाशिल्लो, थंय सीईसीन परत दांडो मारला सांगपाक की instead of clearing the whole entire area of forest cover for the proposed project, the proposed 400 kV line should be drawn along the existing 220 kV corridor line in Goa. Very clearly sangla. Coming to the third part, Speaker sir, when it comes to national highway CM म्हणला existing हातून approval दिला but modifications मागल्या. Modifications मागता असताना whether it is the whole length, where the span of animal overpass जावं जाल्यार underpass जावं जाल्यार proposed 4-lane रोड जो 4-lane एलिवेटेड रोड करचो म्हणून सांगला तांणी, हे सगळे कंटिन्युअस तांणी दिल्ले आसा विच आर कंडिशन्स फॉर द नॅशनल हायवे 4-lane एप्रुवल. आतां हें करता आसतना स्पीकर सर वास्को जंय हियरिंग जातात, आतां स्पीकर सर इफ आय गो बॅक टू द एक्विजिशन पार्ट ऑफ इट, if I refer star LQ 12B dated 3/2/2020, sub answer A. If I refer to star LQ 3C dated 27/1/21, again referring to sub answer A, and again referring star LQ 2B of 24 March 2021, where answer sub answer B. तिनूय प्रश्न तांच्याच आमदारान बाय अलिना साल्दानान रेस केल्ले आशिल्ले, ताका उत्तर एकूच मेळ्ळा. When the question was asked whether the SWR officials or the officials of any government departments have demarcated on ground the area where the markings have been done at the site indicating the land to be acquired for the said project under this notification, if so, furnish the details with the plan. Answer तीनूय LQ तुका dated कित्याक दिला स्पीकर सर, because the answer on the same account over a period of 1 year is the same. Answer येता, yes madam, the site inspection was conducted, however no demarcation report has been prepared. आता स्पीकर सर demarcation report prepare जावना, तातून total acquisition plan publish जाता somewhere in June 2020. आता स्पीकर सर एक प्लॅन अशें दाखयला की कुळे टू वास्को, when the question was asked by Alina whether South Western Railway owns the land, Revenue Department is answering saying that information is not available, whether they have the name ताका म्हणटा ना म्हणून ते. तातून स्पीकर सर प्रश्न पडटा एक्विजिशनाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतात, एक म्हणल्यार डबल ट्रॅक जो पयलीं आशिल्लो तो आतां जो प्लॅन केला, दिस इज ऑन सर्वे प्लॅन्स विच वर प्रोमोलगेटेड वे बॅक इन 1968. ताज्या मागीर लँड कॉन्ट्रोल्स तातून कॅप्चर जाल्ले ना, घरां जाल्लीं ना, कांयच जाल्लें ना, वेर they have to see that including the right of way which has been available. तातून हे whole illegal land acquisition process जो तुम्ही कॅरी केला तो was carried out, you say, by Indian Railways Act 1989, the Railways Act 1989. तातून तुझो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर goes very fast. मे म्हयन्यान स्पीकर सर रिकॉर्ड केलो गोंयान कोविडाच्या हातून बाब विश्वजीत राणे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट 1441 मरणां एक म्हयन्यान जाली इन द मंथ ऑफ मे. March, April, May were bad for COVID. SOPs were there, lockdowns were there, people were not allowed to come out, but hearings were happening. ह्या हियरिंग आपयता आसतना there were comorbid patients, there were senior citizens, notices were sent, 4 दिसाचो टायम दिल्लो, people were not able to come. And ह्या टायमार स्पीकर सर they have bulldozed and they have tried to pass orders in this particular span of time. आता जेन्ना हो CECचो इश्यू येता आणि we know that there is a status quo, understanding from the chief minister that they are going to give their say as maybe as per the center diktat to the Supreme Court. Prashna Patta acquisition of the speaker sir, where in this pandemic time they went ahead with this particular hearing, bulldozing it, trying to please whom I don't know, and for whom it is going to benefit I don't know, because CEC has told. Majo prashna asa speaker sir, आयच्या तारखेन डिमार्केशन जावना जाल्यार कित्याक जावना? If it is done, the report. What is the status of the land acquisition? How much land has been acquired under the South Western Railway as on date? And if it is done, you may place it on the floor of the House. And what now the government intends? Whether government intends to keep it as it is, or under 20A, acquisition was moved. Now whether the state government will move under 20E as the acquisition has lapsed.
You want to know the whole area of the whole area that was acquired or to be acquired for the double tracking?
No. I'm very specific. I've given a gist. I'm asking you very pointed. What is the status of the land acquisition? What is the demarcation? Why is the demarcation still not done over a period of 11-12 months? If it is not done, that means acquisition is not done. And if acquisition is not done, that means the acquisition is lapsed as per 20E of the Railways Act 1989 when you refer to 20A of the Railways Act 1989. In this sequence of events, irrespective of what CEC says, you don't have a planned acquisition thing in place. That means the whole what you did as a procedure has failed. So what is your next point of action? Whether you will, as government of
So
Goa
I'll tell
under
you
20...
the process of the acquisition, okay? So the area that was acquired, that's private land, is 1,23,164.
When is this acquired? When is this acquired?
Sorry?
When is this acquired?
This has already been disposed. Not the whole, I'm giving you the breakup. 42,142 square meters was processed under REC TALR. Then the remaining three notifications were sent for different areas. One is 5,000, the other one notification was for 1,000, and the other one for 8,104 square meters. So these proceedings are now there's parallel proceedings going on.
So these acquisitions were for what? For National Highway NH4, or it was for South Western Railway?
Yes, the South Western Railway.
So now South Western Railway has said that they don't want, CEC has said that this should be reversed. My land acquisition कित्याक जाय तुका?
But that's what we said, no? What CM has just told you what he has decided.
No, you are the government. You are the government. You have to tell us. Land belongs to Goa. South Western Railway from Pune to Vasco has not got any land on record. Now they are going for acquisition. You are not telling us which land is to be acquired, under which head, whether it is NH4 or whether it is Tamnar or whether it is...
No, for NH4 there is no land acquisition with Revenue Department. It is for...
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the project which CEC has told can be done, you don't require acquisition, you say.
Yeah,
But here where you have acquired, the CEC has said that this project need not be done. So what is the status of the acquisition, Speaker sir, is my question. And if it is to be acquired, he has to reverse it. The government has to come on record, invoke 20E of the Railways Act 1989 and reverse the acquisition because it has lapsed.
So the acquisition, if it's lapsed, the central government will take a decision on that.
How will I say if the acquisition has lapsed? What has the central government got to do? म्हणजे तुम्ही central report dita, Speaker sir. State government, what is the state government going to do? No, you are saying it is lapsed, right? You agree it is lapsed?
No, you're telling me it's lapsed.
I'm saying it is lapsed.
You what I'm supposed to do.
No, I'm showing you by the paper it is lapsed. Do you agree or no?
Speaker sir, land is acquired by the central government under
Speaker
the
sir.
Railway Act. Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, I'm बोलत आता की suddenly CM, एक minute CM.
He's replying.
Speaker sir, honorable revenue minister agrees that the land acquisition is lapsed.
No, no,
No,
no,
Just
it's
said
not
it.
lapsed. No,
Verbatim
I
cut.
just checked. Yeah, it's
Verbatim
not
cut. Verbatim cut. आत्ता केला स्पीकर सर.
ना
फकडा झाल्या तुम्ही हौदाची.
Speaker sir, this is land is acquired by the government of India. We are only, आम्ही त्यांना फॅसिलिटेट करता. स्पीकर सर, ही रेल्वे रिक्रुटमेंटच्या अंडर लँड एक्वायर करता. स्पीकर सर, हे लँड एक्विजिशन जे आसा पळय न्ही, इट इज नॉट ओनली द सेंच्युरी, बट इट इज एंटायर प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द मॉलॅम टू वास्को पर्यंत. स्पीकर सर, हितून दोन पार्ट आसा. एक, ज्यांच्यांनी लँड एक्वायर करपाक आपलो विलिंगनेस दिला, ज्यांच्यांनी विलिंगली क्रायटेरिया दिला की आपली लँड एक्वायर करपाक काय हरकत ना. स्पीकर सर, त्यांचो अंडर दॅट हितून हे दिला स्पीकर सर, त्यांचे एक्विजिशन जे आसा पळय न्ही हें केलां. नेक्स्ट ज्या जाग्यार स्पीकर सर गव्हर्मेंट लँड आशिल्ली, ज्यांच्यांनी गव्हर्मेंट लँड आमी तांकां दिल्ली आसा, ज्या जाग्यार गरज आहा, इट इज नॉट ओनली इन द वायल्ड लायफ सेंच्युरी. तो जो स्पेसिफिकली स्पीकर सर जे सांगता वीच कम्स अंडर द वायल्ड लायफ सेंच्युरी, त्याच्या अंदर सांगता CEC had given the recommendation for the Supreme Court. तांच्या कमिटीन रिकमेंडेशन दिल्ली आसा. टिल नाव द फायनल डिसिजन जावंक ना.
Speaker sir, honorable CM is misguiding the house as usual.
Not misguiding.
He is misguiding, Speaker sir. My charge is misguiding. Protected land acquire जावकूच शकना, Speaker sir. Is protected land. What is he saying that protected land आम्ही acquire करचे ना? तो करूच शकना.
करपाचो प्रयत्न करता. स्पेसिफिकली स्पीकर सर हांवें सांगला, ज्यांच्यांनी विलिंगनेस दिल्या तांची लँड एक्वायर केल्या.
Speaker sir.
गव्हर्मेंटची लँड असली थंयसर एक्वायर.
Speaker sir, willingness जे उलयता, हांव ताजेर उलयत ना. 2875 objections have come from the people of Goa, who are affected people as far as this land acquisition is concerned, which includes Southwestern Railway, which includes Tamnar project. Honorable CM is misguiding by saying की protected area आम्ही acquisition करना, करपाकूच शकना तूं. खंयच्या कायद्यान तूं protected area करतलो? आता there is one private property in that protected area which needs to be re-looked at for them in case that SWR project was coming in, which is not supposed to be coming in. So as गोयचो सरकार जी image दाखयता Speaker sir, either they have to talk to center and reply over here, or as a state government they should have की आम्ही सरकार हांगाचो म्हणून तांकां आसपा जाय की the arrogance is still being seen. अजून मुख्यमंत्र्याक विचारता Speaker sir, गोंयचे लोक रस्त्यार आयले, पॅन्डेमिका वेळार भायर आयले, जाणटे भुरगे बॉळ घाले, आणि हे सगळे डिझास्टर जे जावंक लागले ते पर फ्लडिंग जावन आयला. इज वन ऑफ दीस रिजन्स ऑफ दीस इकॉलॉजिकल डिझास्टर Speaker sir. ताज्या खातीर ऑनरेबल सीएमाक सादो प्रश्न विचारता.
फ्लडिंगाचेर वेवस्थीत खंय एक्विजिशन आणि खंय फ्लडिंग हे तेणी पळोवचें.
हेच प्रॉब्लेम जाला आमच्या सीएमाचे. क्युम्युलेटिव्ह इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट is not done. So comprehensive acquisition plan is not in place.
Enough discussion.
Yes, sir.
Enough discussion now.
तो सोपेला दोनच झाला म्हणजे.
Now, already.
अबे खंय सोपेला?
I am going for
प्रश्न important आसा. It is not the number of questions, it is the quality of question which need to be asked. They will reply.
Question number 1B. Wrong.
Because 3 linear projects is an important question.
Only 20 minutes passed. Enough
Let
discussion.
him reply. Is not replying,
He has
Speaker sir.
replied.
Reply, Speaker sir.
Same has replied.
Speaker sir.
No, nothing. I am going
Speaker
for second
sir,
question.
Karnataka, Kali reserve cannot be touched upon. But Goa National Highway we can touch. It is not possible, Speaker sir. We need a reply.
1B. Wrong counting.
Reply, Speaker sir. No.
You go for the
Speaker sir.
question. No.
Speaker sir, it is a very
discussion.
pertinent and important
Enough
question.
discussion on this. On
It
this
is a pertinent
question.
and important question.
Speaker, sir, I have a supplementary. You are depriving me of the supplementary.
Only 20 minutes passed.
you have not allowed it. आमचं number one
आमचा प्रश्न
आहे.
असा, privilege तू पहिले उत्तर दिना आणि आता हे करता.
Right. I have a
Speaker,
right
sir.
to a supplementary.
Speaker sir,
Question.
Speaker sir, as per the rules, आमकां तुम्ही सप्लिमेंटरीचो आमचो रायट घेवंक शकना. आमी वी आर आस्किंग विदिन द कन्फायन्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्न. स्पीकर सर, एज पर
Only one. Only one.
No, पण listen, we are
only
last acquisition आहे सांगून टाका. What is the acquisition is not telling.
Only one. Vijay.
Acquisition सांगून Speaker sir.
as per
Only
the
one.
Speaker sir, फकडा झाले.
annexure A,
Only one.
Sir,
at annexure A,
Speaker, sir.
सेंटरच्याकडे
you
पोपट
have
झाले
in
सगळे.
your answer there is an annexure A.
Speaker, sir.
In that, an amount of 4 crore 44 lakhs 48,408 was deposited on 27/2/20 by the GM projects, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited Goa with the EDC for proposed acquisition of 12,758, which you have given breakup. Now, your Undersecretary Revenue conveyed a letter on 6/4/21 that this RVNL, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, should pay 1 crore 67 lakhs 48,926 towards acquisition of government land at measuring 17,148. Now my question to you pointed is why these anomalies in both area and value? Who did the earlier surveys? Who did the earlier calculations? What does this mean? Either more land and land was acquired or has been acquired, or more private land is being acquired, or is this a time pass approach? That anything goes. Number one. Number two, Speaker sir, you will take the defense that this is a special railway project. We are only acquiring it is under special railways project. I will draw your attention to a press release by the South Central Railways on 11/11/20. There is no mention of special railways project anywhere. And this land acquisition has to be under Chapter 4A of the Act. Now, when this double tracking work, is this double tracking work for only 80 kilometers? A special railway project? Never it is a special railway project. So your acquisition itself is wrong. So I support my colleague that you all are not even giving a double thought to the Speaker sir.
सरकार में रहे.
No, एक minute. There is a pointed question that I've asked you. Reply to it. But if you are not able to reply to this because there are two different figures. एककडे 4,44 लाख घेता, दुसरेकडे 1,67 lakhs घेता. कोणे कॅल्क्युलेशन केली? राव रे काबरा
Speaker sir.
काबरा सुजय काबार बोलला
Speaker sir.
सुजय स्पीकर सर आन्सर
Speaker sir.
लेट द मिनिस्टर आन्सर
हांव सांगता न्ही.
अरे तिका आन्सर कोण नाही मारा
हांव सांगता न्ही. स्पीकर सर, ही लँड जी आसा ही कन्सिडर करता आसतना गव्हर्मेंट लँड हे कन्सिडर करून हे पयशे डेपोजीट केल्ले. ताज्या उपरांत लक्षांत आयलें की तितून प्रायवेट लँडूय आसा म्हणून. इट इज कन्सिडर्ड एट गव्हर्मेंट लँड कन्सिडर करून हे पयशे डेपोजीट केल्ले. मागीर लक्षांत आयलें की भितरली लँड जी आसा ही प्रायवेट लँड आसा. सो दॅट इज मायनस केले.
बरें ते रेल्वेज ऍक्ट 1989 करता तू.
I cannot give supplementary, please. I cannot give supplementary.
No, this is अरे this is
All counted. Your postponed question.
Important question.
Postponed question.
Olam is a very important
रेल्वे
question.
ऍक्ट
You are not interested.
अरे he has not answered.
3C Digambar Kamath.
Speaker sir, how it is?
He is not answering.
Are you going to raise 1 hour on the same question?
Going.
Session is for 3 days.
रानाई
दिवसाची असेंब्ली मागलेला आम्ही नाही. आम्ही 15 दिवस मागलेली.
Are you going for that question?
आमका दिसले स्पीकर सर की फक्त
Go for your
आगवाद
question
जेल
now.
पावणेर काढला, हॉटेला पुलिस हॉटेला
Go for
पावणेर
question number 3C.
काढले, रानाई पावणेर काढली. अरे हे म्हाका खबरूच नासले. स्पीकर सर कितें पावणेर काढला आता?
स्पीकर सर, राणा
पावणेर कितें काढला?
काढलेले ते आता न्हू.
राणा पावणेर काढली.
तांकां
राणा पावणेर काढल्या म्हणटा.
एक उत्तर ना.
अरे
ओल्याचे
उत्तर
एक उत्तर ना तुमच्याकडे.
अंडर इंडियन रेल्वेज ऍक्ट म्हणतात.
Spot star question number
दिस इज अनदर
68.
स्कॅम.
Elliot Saldana.
Scams.
You are not listening to me.
You are depriving us asking supplementary.
One member cannot take 20 minutes. One member cannot take 20 minutes. Then,
Minimum 3 supplementary.
fine, this is only one question.
You have to control. But
Saldana.
the right to ask supplementary cannot be removed.
68.
Another right.
कसा पोस्टपोन स्टार आणि क्यों दिल्या.
घे तर घे. काय मरे?
तो रिप्लाय दिना आमच्या क्वेश्चनाची.